Okay, so I had a subscriber reach out to me and ask me, they say, Jeff, what bills can I pay? Like, what can I pay using Zip Pay, right? So in today's video, I'm going to answer that question. Stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, YouTube? It's your main man, Jeff from I Am T2GM. Back with another video, y'all. Back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to answer a question that a subscriber had recently sent me, asking about what can I use Zip Pay to pay for? What bills can I pay? Or what can I use Zip Pay to actually pay for if I needed it, right? So I'm going to answer that in today's video. But before I do that, guys, if you're new to the channel, all we do over here is talk about how to secure that bag for yourself and your family's future so you can live abundant, prosperous lives. So if you vibe with that, all you gotta do is just join the T2GM family by hitting that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell button, and click all after that. So that way you'll be notified every time I upload content. And be sure to destroy that like button. Destroy that like button if you get value from this video. Helps with the algorithm, gets the channel out to a broader audience where we can spread impact and help more people secure that bag for themselves and their family's future. So without further ado, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and next time you see me, I'm going to be on my computer so I can go ahead and answer that question. What can you use Zip Pay to pay for? Okay guys, so here we are, we're on my computer. Just wanted to make sure you guys see the Zip screen. I'm not gonna do a full review on it, but to get straight to the question, what can you use Zip Pay for? What can you pay for it with? So outside of the usual, but if you didn't see my review, make sure you click the link in the description. I'll link it rather via card or at the end of this video or in the description for you to check out the review I did on Zip. But outside of using it at any stores that any store online and even in the store and even in store, you can actually use Zip Pay to pay bills that allow you to use a credit card. What I mean by that is, let's just say you needed to pay your cell phone bill, right? And your cell phone bill was like $200. So the way it works is you can go into your actual provider, go into your cell phone provider, pay your bill, go into your cell phone provider. You can go ahead and click the Zip icon, rather here on the computer or inside the Zip app. It sets up a virtual credit card for you to use, a virtual credit card for you to use after you've already put in your information, asks for your phone number, sends an actual code to that phone number to make sure it's you, and then it'll give you a list of the installments. It'll give you a list of the four payments that you have to make. Once you agree to those and you click OK, what happens is they will populate a virtual credit card number for you, and you'll be able to use that virtual credit card for that specific amount that you chose, that you asked for, to make your phone bill payment. So in this case, like I said, if it was $200, then you would get the 4 installments. Like Zip will go ahead and show you the 4 installments, 4 installments that's due every 2 weeks from the date that you used the card. What happened from there is once you see those installments, you would pay the first installment right there to be able to use the card. So let's just say it was $55, right? Because they charge a few extra dollars on top of that. I think like $4 or $5 extra on top of that, because that's the way that they make their money. And you go ahead and you pay that $55. That first installment will be paid when you use the actual credit card, virtual credit card that they gave you to pay your cell phone bill. So in other words, Zip will pay the entire $200 phone bill for you, and you just paid them the first installment, which was in this example $55. It's the same thing if you wanted to pay your utility bills. You would go ahead and set up a virtual credit card number. They'll give you the payback plan, which is the 4 installments. They'll let you know how much each installment is. You will always make the first installment. You always make the first installment payment in order to use the card for that specific how can I put this? For that specific bill that you wanted to pay. Sorry, I'm having a brain fart. So that's pretty much how it works. You can use this as like a virtual credit card. That's what Zip is. It creates a virtual credit card. So Things that you can't use to pay a credit card with, Zip obviously will not work. Like if you was trying to pay your car note, I know I couldn't pay mine with it. I have to use an actual debit card. I don't know any car place that allows you to pay your car note with a credit card, but you can't use that for that, or anything that you're not able to use a credit card as payment for, it will not work. But if you're able to use credit card as a payment method for whatever you're trying to pay, then it should most definitely work. I've used it to pay on cell phone bills before, my utility bill. I've used it in store at Walmart using the card reader. Obviously, you've used it online at Amazon and such, all that good stuff. If you want to see the review video I did, again, link will be in the description, maybe a card, and definitely at the end of this video, so be sure to check that out. But in a nutshell, that's what you can use Zip Pay to actually to pay with. You can actually pay your bills that allow you to use a credit card as a payment method. Now, if it doesn't allow you to, then unfortunately Zip will not work, because Zip is pretty much a virtual credit card that allows you to pay something up front, and then you paying Zip back in four installments spread over 2 weeks, about 2 weeks in between them. And that's pretty much how it works as far as what you can pay for with Zip Pay. So guys, hopefully you got value from that. Be sure to destroy that like button if you got value, guys. Really do appreciate it. It helps the channel get out to a broader audience, to spread more impact. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet. Hit that bell button and click all, so that way you'll be notified every time I upload content, guys. Really do appreciate it. Again, hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the review video I did on Zip so you can learn more about it in the description, and as well as at the end of this video, I'll link it at the end in the outro. So with that being said, guys, appreciate y'all watching today's video. Remember to be awesome, live legendary, and as I always say, don't just hustle for the fame, hustle for your last name. I'm out, y'all. Peace.